Hi, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today's topic trigonometry. In trigonometry, we will learn about trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratio. Okay. First, we have to remember Pythagoras theorem and sixth trigonometric ratio. Let us see here. This is a right angle. Right angle opposite side is a hypotenuse, and here theta. Adjacent, BC is adjacent side and AB is opposite side. Already we learned this. So hypotenuse AC square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. That means AB square plus BC square. Next, if you don't know BC, AB one by one you can write. AB square, then AC square minus BC square. BC square by transposing it becomes minus. Next, if you don't know BC square, AC square minus AB square. These are the Pythagoras theorems. Next one, write a six trigonometric ratios. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Next, cot theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Opposite. Next, sec theta equal to reciprocal of cos. Cos is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Next, cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite. These Pythagoras theorem and these six trigonometric ratios we are using here. Okay. Next, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These are six trigonometric ratios. We have to write that for these six trigonometrics, other trigonometric ratio of sin. Okay. So how to write? See, sin. We don't know the sin theta. Then it will be x. Already we know sin ratios. Here x, sin unknown numbers are, so that we have to take x. So x by 1. Ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite A, B, C. This is right angle. Here it is opposite x and hypotenuse is 1. So we need to find BC. What is the BC? B square equal to AC square minus AB square. So that directly I am writing BC equal to, by doing square becomes square root. So AC is here 1 minus AB is x. X means sin theta. So sin square. AB square means here BC square means AB square. AB square means sin square theta. Okay, so what is the BC side? This only 1 minus sin square theta. Now we have to write all ratios. Okay, sin ki sin only. Sin theta ratio sin only. Why? Because opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is x. X means sin theta. So that x sin theta equal to x. This is x. Sin theta equal to x. So that here BC is 1 minus sin square theta. Now write the six trigonometric ratios as for this condition. Already I have written clearly here. Okay. So cos in terms of sin. Cos in terms of sin is, what is the cos ratio? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here what is the adjacent side? Check it there. This is the adjacent side. Okay. So adjacent means 1 minus cos square theta. adjacent by hypotenuse by 1 means the same only. Square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Next, tan theta in terms of sine. Tan theta here ratio is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is sine theta, adjacent is 1 minus sine square theta. So here sine theta by opposite by adjacent. Sine theta by square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Already here also we have to see. Tan theta means sine by cos. Sine by cos, here sine is sine theta, cos is 1 minus sine square theta. This is the sine theta in term, tan theta in terms of sine theta is sine theta by 1 minus sine square theta. Next, cot. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. Directly we can write here. So here what is that? Sin theta by 1 minus sine square theta, reciprocal means denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. So square root of 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta. This is cot theta in terms of sine. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos means here 1 by 1 minus square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Yes or no? Next, cosecant theta, it is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by sine theta. These are the in terms of ratios. Sine, sine only. Next, cos in terms of sine is 1 minus sine square theta. Next, tan theta in terms of sine is sine theta by cos theta. This is the in terms ratio. Next, cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. Secant theta means reciprocal of cos. Cosecant theta reciprocal of sine. Next, we have to find in terms of cos theta. Okay, in terms of cos theta, let us see. We don't know the cos theta, so cos theta equal to x. What is the x ratio? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So now draw the right angle triangle here. A, B, C, here is right angle, here theta. Next, cos theta ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is here BC and hypotenuse is 1. We need to find AB. Right. Here BC x means cos theta. So we need to find AB. AB equal to square root of AB square means square. We have to transfer square root. AC square minus BC square. Here AC square means what? 1. No? Minus BC square is x. X means cos square theta. Understand here? Here unknown value we have to take it as x. X by 1 means this is the cos theta ratio. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So here we need to find a AB, opposite side. So AB equal to square root of 1 minus ratio. What is the ratio? Here AC square AB equal to AB square equal to AC square minus AB square. Yes sir, BC square. So that here 1 minus hypotenuse is 1. 1 minus cos square theta. So now write the ratios here. What is that? Square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Now write that cos theta in terms cos theta only. Next, sin theta in terms of cos, sin ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 1 minus cos square theta. So square root of 1 minus cos square theta by 1 means itself only. Okay. Next, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Here sin is 1 minus cos square theta square root of cos square theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta, reciprocal of tan. Here tan theta is square root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Reciprocal cos theta by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cos, means 1 by cos. Cosecant theta, cosecant reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine means here 1 minus cos square theta by 1, its reciprocal is 1 by 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 by 1 minus cos square root of cos square theta. This is the in terms of other ratios, right? As for the condition also we can see that, and if you know this we have to reciprocal. If you write these two, we have to write the remaining 4 reciprocal ratios only. Okay, tan reciprocal is tan, mean if you know these two, tan theta easy to write, sine by cos. Tan is a reciprocal of tan. Next, secant theta is reciprocal of cos. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So you need to concentrate mainly sine and cos we have to write perfectly, then we have to write the remaining 4 ratios. Next one, tan theta. See, tan theta we don't know, let be x by 1. Here by the right angle triangle, here it is A, B, C, here theta. Tan theta ratio opposite by adjacent. Here opposite side is this. So that here it is x. Next adjacent is 1. What we need to find? Hypotenuse. So that AC equal to square root of, here what is that, hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining 2 sides. So that AB plus BC, AB square plus BC square. So here AB square means x square means x as a tan theta. So that tan square theta plus 1 square. 1 square means 1 only. Clear? Now write the ratios. Sin theta. Sin theta means up here sin theta ratio opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is square root of tan square theta plus 1. So that here opposite is x. X means tan theta by hypotenuse is tan square theta plus 1. Square root of tan square theta plus 1. This is the sign in terms of tan. Next one, cos. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side 1. Next adjacent by hypotenuse, 1 by tan square. 1 by square root of tan square theta plus 1. This is the cos in terms of tan. Next, tan theta ratio, tan theta only. Next, cot theta. I said clearly we have to concentrate more and more here. We can write it remaining easily. Next, tan theta ratio, tan theta only. And also see here, opposite by adjacent means opposite x. X by 1 means tan theta by 1, tan theta. Next, cot theta. It is a reciprocal of tan. That means 1 by tan theta. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos 1 by tan square root of tan square theta plus 1, square root of tan square theta plus 1 only. And also check it here also. Secant theta means hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse tan square theta plus 1. Yes or no? Same. Anything we have to write. Square root of tan square theta plus 1. Okay, next one. Cosecant. Cosecant means a reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine here, tan theta by square root of tan square theta plus 1. Its reciprocal is square root of tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta. Clear? So that square root of tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta. These are the in terms of the ratios. Sin in terms of tan is tan theta by square root of tan square theta plus 1. No? Cos theta is cos theta in terms of tan is 1 by square root of tan square theta plus 1. Likewise remaining. Right. Next one. Cot theta. So here also cot theta, it is very small. Right. Now write cot theta. Cot theta means we don't know that. Let be x. So write the here by 1 means tan theta. You have to write the ratio also. A, B, C. Here it is theta. Next cot theta means adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is here x and 1. We need to find AC. So AC equal to square root of, what is that? Here adjacent by opposite. Yes or no? So that AC equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So that 1 plus x square means 1 square 1 only. X square means cot square. Okay, here hypotenuse is 1 plus cot square theta. This is the ratio. Next see here. Sin theta. Sin theta ratio you have to write. Next, what is the sin theta? Here, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 1 now. Hypotenuse is 1 plus cot square theta. So that 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Next, cos theta. Cos theta ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is x. X means cos theta. Cos theta by 1 plus cos square theta. So that cot theta. Cot theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is a reciprocal of cot. Cot in terms of cot only. Cot in terms of cot theta only. So, reciprocal of cot 1 by cot theta. Next, secant theta. Secant theta means it is a reciprocal of cos. Cos is cot theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So that it's a reciprocal. Square root of 1 plus cot square theta by cot theta. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant means a reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta as reverse. Means 1 plus cot square theta. Square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Over. So, sin theta in terms of cot 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Next, cos theta is cos theta in terms of cot theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta and the remaining reciprocal ratios. Next one, secant theta. Right. Secant theta, we don't know secant theta, that like x by 1 by the right angle triangle. Here, what is the ratio? Here, hypotenuse by adjacent. Here, this is right angle theta. Adjacent side hypotenuse is x, adjacent is 1. So that we need to find AB. AB equal to square root of AC square plus here 1. AB check it there here. AB equal to AC square minus 1. AC means here secant square theta. So secant square theta here minus 1 BC. Okay. So this is the secant theta. Here it is the side secant square theta minus 1. Okay, right? Next see sin theta. Sin theta in terms of secant opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite what? Square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. Next cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1 by hypotenuse. X means secant theta, and also secant theta is secant theta only in terms of ratio, so that opposite of cos reciprocal. Next tan sin by cos means here this both are fractional forms, so denominator cancel, then square root of secant square theta minus 1. Now check it here also. Actually sin theta, what is the sin theta? Opposite by, yes, once again check it, tan theta only I am writing here. Next pass this. Next one cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan. So that here tan theta is square root of secant square theta minus 1. That means 1 by secant square theta minus 1. Next, cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So that here secant theta by square root of secant square theta minus 1. These are the in terms of the ratios. Sine in terms of secant theta is square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. Cos theta is it's a reciprocal of secant. Secant in terms of secant only, its reciprocal is 1 by secant. Clear? Remaining reciprocal ratios only. Next cosecant. Cosecant theta equal to x. So now write right angle A, B, C. Here cosecant ratio is hypotenuse by opposite. Here it is hypotenuse, here 1. We need to find BC. So BC equal to square root of AC minus AB. AC minus AB. Yes or no? BC. AC is x. X means cosecant square theta. Equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, cosecant theta square minus 1. Now here it is x means cosecant, here adjacent side is cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, now carefully how to write the remaining ratios. See, sin here actually cosecant in terms of cosecant only. Okay, here sin theta means it's a reciprocal of cosecant, means 1 by cos. Next one sin theta. Sin theta means it is the reciprocal of cosecant. Cosecant theta reciprocal, here 1 by cosecant. Okay, sin reciprocal is cosecant. Next one cos. Cos means adjacent. This is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by, here what is the adjacent by hypotenuse? Cosecant theta. Next tan. Tan theta means cosecant to cosecant denominators cancel, then 1 by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. And also here check it. Tan theta, what is it? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 1 now, adjacent is BC, cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, clear? Now, cot, it's a reciprocal. 1 by cosecant square theta means square root of 1 by cosecant square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, by 1 means 1 only itself. Next, secant. Secant means it is the reciprocal of cos. What is the cos? Square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant theta. So we have to reciprocal. Means cosecant theta by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratios. Before going to write this, we have to remember what is that? Pythagoras theorem and 6 trigonometric ratio. Then we have to write the in terms of the ratios. I have clearly, very clearly I have given here. This is the in terms of the ratios, how we have to frame and write in that table. Clear? It is very, 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 very important. So that dear students, please everyone watch this video carefully. Okay, compare here this what is that hypotenuse and ratios. Next, these are in terms. Then only if you are writing perfectly these, you can write easily on the table. Okay, please this is like my video and share your friends. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.